Hey students, I am Uma Vidushi and I welcome you all back to our English lessons. I hope you all are having fun learning English. Okay, so till now we have talked about noun, pronoun and verbs. Today we are going to talk about adjectives. So today's topic is adjective. Before explaining it, you guys already know I always emphasize in understanding rather than cram it. You know the meaning of the words, so we are not going to cram anything. We are going to understand the depth what the word really means. Okay, so now come to the topic, what is an adjective? Dear students, you have already studied about addition and subtraction in your mathematics. You might be thinking that why I am asking about addition or subtraction. So, adjectives is also all about addition. Addition of meaning means when you add something to a noun or a pronoun, that is adjective. Let's take one example. He is Sam. Sam is a good boy. Now here, good word is adding or describing about Sam. So any word which describes or modify a noun or a pronoun are known as adjectives. Let's come to the definition. An adjective is a word that describes. It means that it gives extra information or more information about some things. An adjective generally describes a noun. Noun, as you all know that a noun is a name of a person, place, things or animal. Like as you can see here, one example like the green monster. So green word is an adjective which is describing the monster. You can also write this sentence like the monster is green. So here in these two sentences you see that the green word is describing or adding extra to the word monster, and monster is a noun. Now before going to the kinds of noun, let me introduce you with the positions of adjective in a noun phrase. Okay, so adjectives can be attributive adjectives or predicative adjectives. An attributive adjective is one that premodifies a noun like the beautiful girl, whereas a predicative adjective is one that is used as post modifier of a noun like the stars visible. So these are the two positions of adjective usually placed in a noun phrase. Now let's see kinds of noun. So there are namely 10 kinds of noun, and in today's session we are going to discuss the first 4: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number and demonstrative adjective. And I will explain you one by one all the kinds of adjective. So let's see. First kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality of a noun or pronoun. It means that it tells us or answer the question of what kind a person, place or things is. Like Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. So wealthy word is showing you or describing Mukesh Ambani. It is giving you the answer of what kind of man he is. I read an interesting book. So again, what kind of book I am reading? So when any word that tells you or describes the quality of a person or any noun or pronoun, it is known as adjective of quality. Like he is my best friend. So what kind of friend he is? So best. So best word is giving you the answer of the quality of that person. Now next kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. What is an adjective of quantity? This kind of adjective indicates the amount of noun or pronoun. It means that it gives you the answer of how much, like some, no, much, little. These are some examples of adjective of quantity. You can see here some more examples given of adjective of quantity, like there is much water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. There is a little water in the jug. There is no water in the jug. There is some water in the jug. There is sufficient water in the jug. So these highlighted words, much, little, a little, no, some, sufficient, these all are the examples of adjective of quantity, and these are showing us the uses, that how it is used. Like little water means almost none. Negative. A little means at least some water is there. No means zero quantity, there is nothing over there. Some water means neither much nor less. And sufficient means it is sufficient to sufficient amount of water in the jug. So this is how we can use adjective of quantity to show the amount or to show how much any object or any noun is. Now let's see the next kind of adjective, that is adjective of number. Adjective of number answers the questions how many. It shows us that how many persons or how many things are there, are meant, or in order, what order or what number that person or that thing stands. Okay, for example, I have 5 oranges. How many oranges have I? 5. I stood second in the examination. Most men work hard to earn. Several visitors could not get entry in the stadium. So in these all sentences, 5, second, most, several, these all are the examples of adjective of number. Hope you understood. Now allow me to read the next kind. The fourth kind of adjective is demonstrative adjective. These adjectives demonstrates or point out, or you can say it identify a particular item or items in reference to the speaker. This, that, these, those are the examples of demonstrative adjective, which shows about a particular object which is nearer or further from the speaker. Okay, but many of the students get confused in demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns because they both look same, but there is a huge difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. Now let's see what are the difference between demonstrative adjective and pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives and pronouns include these, that, these and those. But adjective, as I said, that it describes a noun, like this chair is broken, that car is expensive, these clothes are wet, those birds are flying south. So in these all sentences, as you can see that these adjectives are describing about a particular noun, whereas demonstrative pronoun identifies someone or something, like that is my chair, that is Peter's house, these are her clothes, those are migrating birds. So here it is identifying or pointing out on someone or something, whereas in demonstrative adjective they describes about a particular noun. So this is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Okay students, so I hope these 4 different kinds of adjective is understood by you all very well. In the next session I will discuss the further kind.